A very enthusiastic hi to everyone, myself Tejas Hakade, a student of Vibrant Academy, here with a very fascinating topic. It's Corona and Future India. I will be dealing with 2 points. First, India during COVID-19 pandemic, and second, India after COVID-19 pandemic. In December 2019, a new virus started to spread in China, and then it captured all other countries of globe. Corona may spread via surfaces, but it's still uncertain that how long it survives on a surface. Its main way of spreading is droplet infection. When you come in contact or touch an infected person, journey of coronavirus starts within your body. It enters your lungs and infects epithelial cells. It orders them to form more copies of coronavirus. Now, your immune cells come for a fight with corona, but they too get infected. One of your immune cells, neutrophils, it usually releases enzymes to destroy enemy, but due to infection, it destroys both friends and enemies. And second, your killer T orders infected cells to commit suicide, but due to infection, it orders healthy one also to commit suicide. Due to this, a lot of damage is done to your epithelial layer on alveoli. The layer on alveoli gets disappeared. Now, any pathogen can easily enter your alveoli, then your blood, and then it will go to your whole body. This may lead to death. Do you know we can compare all this situation with India too? Yes, your body is India. As like coronavirus enters your body, an infected person enters India and infects others. As just like coronavirus infects your immune cells, it infects our police, doctors, who are all corona warriors, just like your immune cells. The condition of your body and our country becomes worse. Everything needs time to get healed itself. Now let's check what we should do to heal our country faster. First, not increasing pressure on medical system by increasing patients. Yes, it's true. We can do this with the vaccine. No, it's not a medical vaccine, it's a social vaccine. Yes, you guessed it right. It's social distancing. Second, take care of corona warriors. Yes, they are here to guard yourself from corona. They help you in this worst condition also. Them. Don't spread any rumors. Don't spread any message that is not certified. Please don't spread any rumors. Be positive, take care. And sanitization. Yes, you all know about sanitization, but still I would like to mention that you buy anything, an item from market, but no, you don't buy a coronavirus from market. Future of India is a great mystery. It will be fine, don't worry. Now let's check some points that will decide future of India. First, our economy. Our hero, yes, Narendra Modi, is taking a lot of efforts to stabilize our economy. Our economy and our country may be like three graphs: V graph, L graph, and U graph. V graph means decrease in efficiency and a sudden increase and back to original. Second, L graph, decrease in efficiency and the worst condition still continues. Third, U graph, decrease in efficiency and after a lot of struggle back to original. So which graph do you want to follow? Check out. Second is lifestyle. Yes, some changes may be there in your lifestyle. Everyone, no handshaking, no hugging, only namaste with a distance of 1 to 2 meter. Everywhere people will be screened in malls now, like a just battery down phone with a just 10% charge. It will get time to charge itself and work effectively. In education, VR and online classes will be promoted. New things will be added to our education system. Now India requires talent, not those all with great marks. At last, I would like to say that the future of individual depends on him or her. But now it's time to check out future of India. It depends on whole community. Share this to everyone and awake all people of country and make them aware of our future. Yes, our country will be back like just a V graph, a sudden decrease and then back to its original position and top in world. Be safe, follow lockdown, follow all other guidelines, support country and have a delightful future. Thank you.